Hey guys, start it. And then today I will tell you how to remove FRP this mobile. Guys, first of all you have to connect any hotspot Wi-Fi, any Wi-Fi password enter here. When you input your password, then connect it. Wi-Fi hotspot is connected. Now you have to click next and tick more privacy policy. I agree. Next. Checking for update. This may take a minute or two. Do it. Now just a second. Here you can see your patron lock problem and use my Google account. Checking info. You can see here verify your account, but you don't remember account that I want to remove this FRP. So go back and then two finger use. Two finger hold on screen. Wait 2 minutes, hold. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and like my videos, comment me. Here you can see talkback will on. You can see here talkback is on, and swipe L, click on settings, scroll down, two finger, use two finger and scroll down. Here you can see explore by touch, okay, and then scroll down, one finger use help and feedback. Here you can see helps interface, get started with voice access. You can see here YouTube link video, play this video and click on video link. You can see title, click on title, do it. Here you can see Chrome browser is open now and get started, accept, no thanks. Here you can see YouTube Chrome browser is open now and you have to search frpfile.com, frpfile.com / bypass. Click keyboard go button. Guys, now you have to download some APK file. Here you can see Google Account Manager, continue, download and allow. Next you have to download FRP bypass FRP and then do it, okay. So now click on three dots, download button and install Google Account Manager settings, allow from this source, and then go back and install it. Guys, this is installing now and wait. Done. And install bypass FRP file, install. This is installing now and then you have to open this AP file and guys click on three dot, browsing, okay. Here you have to sign in any Gmail like already your Gmail and input your password for sign in another Gmail. It is complete now. Now friends, you have to restart your mobile. exit it. Starting Android. Hi there. Start. Okay, and next. Privacy policy, and next. Checking for update. This may take a minute to do it. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for the latest videos. If you have some problem, account edit, next. Getting account information, do it. Just a second. Scroll down, don't restore, do it. Just a second. No thank you. Escape anyway. Just a second. This may take some time more. And next step, I agree. Updating. Scroll down. Okay. Adding the finish touches. This may take a minute or two. Escape and finish. Setup is complete, all is done. So guys, bye, be back later, see you next videos. Thank you guys, take care.